solve 2 to the power of x minus 5 is equal to 8 to the power of x plus x minus 1. All right. Anybody know how to start this problem? What would be a first step, anyone? When you have equation and the variables and the exponents, what do we need to do first here? Anybody? Any idea? Okay, I prepared some solutions here. Nobody responding. Okay, somebody typing eliminate exponents. No. We don't eliminate exponents. Any other idea? What we need to do is we need to make the base or exponents equal each other. So we can, from there, this is what we need to do. Note that if I have a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of c, then I can conclude from this that b must be equal to c. So either can try to make the exponents the same or base the same. So can somebody tell me which one can I make the same in this case? Can I make the base the same or exponents?
Make the base the same.
Base the same, very good. You notice that 8 is the same as 2 to the power of 3, right? So if I replace 8 with 2 to the power of 3, I would get the base exactly the same. That's what you do. So you would make the base the same in this case. So instead of 8, I will write it 2 to the power of 3. So can somebody tell me what does this becomes? That would be equal to what then? What do we get on the right hand side? The left hand side we're good. What do we get on the right hand side? Okay, somebody typing 2 to the power of 3x minus 3. You're absolutely right. So here will be 2 to the power of 3 times x minus 1. When you distribute that, you get exactly what she said. So here would be, in this case, you can make the base the same. So that what that means is x minus 5 would be equal to the same as 3 times x minus 1. Does that make sense, everyone? So if the base are the same, then our conclusion would be the exponents must be the same, according to this. So x minus 5 would be equal to 3 times x minus 1. So these two equations are equivalent. So instead of solving this for x, if I solve this for x, I get the same answer. So can somebody tell me quickly what would be the next step then? That should be pretty simple, right? What do you do next? You distribute, right? And after that, what do we do? We need to move all the x to one side of the equation. So what if we subtract x from both sides of the equation? And then here we get minus 5 is equal to 3x minus x minus 3. If I combine the x, then I get minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3. And then if I add 3 to both sides of the equation, you get minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 2x. Somebody already gave me an answer. And we get x is equal to negative 2 over 2, which is minus 1. And yes, the answer here would be x equal to minus 1.